The Unipanel Fixer kit is designed to help you fit bath side panels and end panels. It makes it a lot simpler than fitting the conventional wooden frame around the bath. Now the first thing we need to do to set these up is simply take the threads and screw them into the brackets on the stanchion. The square faceplate will simply click onto the thread and stick these onto the plates. And we're just simply gonna stick this one onto the top circular bracket like that. And you do that for all three. All you need to do is place the circular pad underneath the lip of the bath, and then you screw it so the circular bracket rises upwards. Pads are in place, they're in line, they're at the right heights, and now we're gonna fit the panel underneath the bath edge. If you would like now to purchase a Unipanel Fixer kit, all you need to do is either put your postcode in the search bar on the website, or you can give us a call and we will direct you to your nearest stockist.